Okay, motherfuckers, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to cook with a motherfucking George Forman, okay? Look at this. Look at this. Hold on. It's getting a little hot in here. Let me just... Okay, much better. Okay, guys. Today we're cooking some quesadillas with our motherfucking George Forman. Okay, motherfuckers? Now let's see. Oh, yeah. It's delicious. Okay? Now, let me just tell you something. Some people think I'm gay, and I don't like it. All those haters out there, they can go fuck themselves, okay? They can go fuck themselves. Well, let's check on this quesadillas, guys. They're smelling delicious. All you motherfuckers that don't have a George Foreman yet, you better get one. It's delicious. Okay, motherfuckers? Now, it's time to eat. The shit is done in like 2 minutes. So, I'm gonna go eat, and you guys have a good day. Okay?